Good morning. I am Dr. K. Tyagarajan from Satyagraya College, Chennai. The lesson is about the role of information and communication technology, that is ICT, in education. Information and communication technology, that is ICT, includes products that could store, process, transmit, convert, duplicate, or receive electronic information. For example, it is used for transmission of electronic textbooks, instructional software, email, chat, and distance learning programs. What do we mean by ICT? Generally, ICT stands for Information and Communication Technologies, which refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunications. This includes the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, and other communication mediums. What is the function of ICT? Generally we use ICT for acquisition, storage, manipulation, management, transmission, or reception of data or information. Real-time access to information. Easy availability of updated data. Connecting the world regions instantly. What are the objectives of ICT in education? So ICT in education helps students to become competent and confident users for their daily activities. It also prepares students to excel in any field in the technological world of tomorrow. So there are varieties of types in ICT. The different types of ICTs include electronic mail, video conferencing, physical and telephone conferencing, which is highly used to connect businesses, organizations, and individuals. In what way it is used in education? ICTs can enhance the quality of education in several ways. For example, by increasing learner motivation and engagement, by facilitating the acquisition of basic skills, by enhancing teacher training, which can promote the shift to learner-centered environment from teacher-centered environment. What are the importances of ICT tools in education? Information and communication technology in schools and colleges, even in universities, can be used as a communication tool to improve students' learning and better teaching techniques. With the advancement of science and technology in education, schools, colleges, and universities adapt communication software to transmit, store, share, and exchange information and knowledge. What is the role of ICT in higher education? ICTs in higher education are being used particularly for developing course material, delivering contents, and sharing contents, and communication between learners, teachers, and the outside world. It is also helping for creation and delivery of presentation and lectures, academic research, administrative supports, students' enrollment, etc. There are some key benefits of ICT-based education. For example, which promotes learning by doing approach. It enables a self-paced learning, that is, anybody can learn in their own space. Provides access to wide range of up-to-date learning materials. It also enriches learning through a combination of audio, video, images, text, and animation. It enhances the teaching learning through interaction and collaboration. How ICT can be used in classrooms? There are many benefits to using ICT to teach literacy, particularly integrating in classroom. ICT allows the teacher and teachers to produce and modify the resources quickly and easily. It allows access to a wide range of information in various formats. Interactive whiteboards have become essential tools in the classroom teaching learning activities. ICT and teachers. ICT particularly helps teachers to interact with students. It helps them in preparation of their teaching materials, providing feedback and receiving feedback. ICT also helps teachers to access with institutions and universities. It also helps in effective use of ICT software and hardware for a teaching learning process. What will be the future of ICT in the field of education? It encourages a vision for learning and teaching with the use of information, communications,